Did you know there's a medicine that's completely free, requires no prescription, has no side effects, yet can slow aging, lower blood pressure, reduce belly fat, improve memory, and even extend your lifespan? The shocking part is this: 90% of adults ignore it every single day. All you have to do is walk. It sounds too simple to be true, doesn't it? But medical research shows that just 30 minutes of walking a day can change the way your heart pumps blood, how your brain handles stress, and how your body burns energy, even if you're in your 50s or 60s. So what actually happens inside your body when you step outside and walk every day? Can one small habit really reverse years of inactivity? Today, a doctor reveals the truth behind those seemingly simple steps, and the answer might make you want to get up and move right now. Have you ever felt the relentless pull of modern life? A constant hum of demands that leaves you feeling drained, scattered, and utterly disconnected from your own vibrant potential? Perhaps you've yearned for a reset button, a simple, accessible way to reclaim your energy, sharpen your mind, and soothe your spirit, but dismiss the most obvious answer as to, well, too simple. We live in a world obsessed with extremes, high-intensity workouts that leave you breathless, complex diets that demand meticulous tracking, and endless self-improvement strategies that promise transformation through sheer effort. And in this pursuit of the extraordinary, we've collectively overlooked a profound truth, a foundational human movement so innate, so utterly natural, that its true power has been tragically underestimated. I'm talking about walking, not a light stroll, not just a casual amble, but a daily dedication to putting one foot in front of the other. Many dismiss walking as merely a light exercise, a gentle preamble to real fitness. But I'm here to tell you that walking is not merely light, it is foundational asterisk. It is a master key that unlocks a cascade of comprehensive health benefits, silently orchestrating profound changes within your body and mind that even the most rigorous gym routines often fail to touch in the same holistic way. It's a silent revolution, waiting for you to take that first step. Let's begin with the most intricate and fascinating organ in your body, your brain. You might think that physical movement primarily affects your muscles or cardiovascular system, but daily walking, consistent and purposeful, literally changes the physics of your brain. Scientific studies have shown that regular walking can increase the size of your hippocampus, the brain region critical for memory and learning. Imagine that, simply by moving your body, you are actively cultivating a larger, more robust memory center, enhancing your ability to learn new things, retain information, and recall it with greater ease. This isn't just about preventing age-related decline. It's about actively improving your cognitive function, making you sharper, more alert, and more mentally agile, regardless of your age. And it goes deeper than just memory. Have you ever noticed how a walk can clear your head when you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed? This isn't just a subjective feeling. It's a powerful physiological shift. Walking reprograms your body's stress response. In our modern lives, we often find ourselves trapped in a chronic state of fight or flight, with our sympathetic nervous system constantly on high alert, pumping out cortisol, the stress hormone. Daily walking, however, activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest system. It's like hitting a gentle reset button, reducing cortisol levels, calming the nervous system, and promoting a profound sense of tranquility and inner peace. That nagging anxiety, that restless energy, that feeling of being perpetually wired, a consistent walking practice acts as a natural antidote, guiding your body back to a state of calm equilibrium. But the brain benefits don't stop there. Walking isn't just about memory and stress reduction. It's a powerful catalyst for thinking, problem solving, and creativity. When you walk, especially in natural environments, you activate your brain's default mode network, the network responsible for introspection, imagination, and generating new ideas. It's why so many great thinkers throughout history, from Aristotle to Steve Jobs, were avid walkers. They understood intuitively what science now confirms: movement unlocks mental flow. Those seemingly intractable problems, those creative blocks, those moments where you just can't seem to connect the dots. Often, the solution isn't found by staring harder at a screen, but by stepping away and letting your feet carry your mind to new perspectives. Ideas begin to flow, connections are made, and clarity emerges from the gentle rhythm of your steps. Now, let's talk about something incredibly vital that impacts millions: blood sugar. In an age where metabolic health is a growing concern, walking offers a simple, yet profoundly effective intervention. After a meal, your blood sugar naturally rises. Instead of slumping onto the couch, a mere 10-minute walk can make a remarkable difference. As your muscles engage during walking, they act like sponges, soaking up glucose from your bloodstream to use as fuel. This helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those sharp spikes and subsequent crashes that leave you feeling sluggish and craving more sugar. It's a powerful, natural way to improve insulin sensitivity and maintain metabolic balance, contributing significantly to long-term health and vitality. But where does real energy come from? Not from caffeine, not from sugar, but from the very powerhouses within your cells, the mitochondria. Daily walking doesn't just give you a temporary burst, it builds real, sustainable energy at the cellular level. Consistent movement stimulates the creation of new, healthy mitochondria and encourages your body to remove damaged ones. Think of it as upgrading your internal power grid. More efficient mitochondria mean your cells can produce energy more effectively, translating into sustained vitality throughout your day, reduced fatigue, and a greater capacity for both physical and mental tasks. You're not just feeling energetic, you are generating energy from the inside out. And as we move through our day, what about the silent work of digestion? Bloating, discomfort, and irregularity are common complaints, often exacerbated by sedentary lifestyles. Here again, walking emerges as a gentle yet potent remedy. The physical act of walking stimulates natural bowel movements. It acts like a mild internal massage, encouraging the peristaltic action of your intestines, helping food move through your digestive tract more efficiently. Regular walks can significantly reduce issues like bloating and constipation, promoting a healthier gut and a greater sense of comfort and lightness. It's a simple, natural way to keep your internal systems flowing smoothly. As you can see, the unassuming act of walking is far more than just getting steps in. It's a powerful, multifaceted intervention that begins to reshape your brain, rebalance your hormones, stabilize your metabolism, and energize your very cells. It's a testament to the profound intelligence of your body, waiting for you to engage with its most fundamental movement. And this, my friends, is only the beginning of the story. There are even deeper transformations, more profound benefits, and incredible shifts in your cardiovascular health, joints, mood, and even your longevity that await those who embrace this simple, yet powerful, daily practice. The true magic of consistent walking is yet to be fully revealed. The true magic of consistent walking is yet to be fully revealed. Indeed, as we peel back the layers, we discover that this seemingly simple act touches every facet of our being, optimizing us from the inside out, preparing us for a life of greater vitality and resilience. Consider your breath, the very essence of life, often taken for granted. When you walk, especially with a mindful, purposeful stride, your lungs expand, drawing in more oxygen with each inhale. But it's not just about the volume of air, it's about profound efficiency. Regular walking trains your body to become a master of oxygen utilization. Your blood vessels become more pliable, your cells more adept at extracting and using this vital element for energy production. This means that with consistent practice, you'll find yourself less breathless during daily activities, less prone to the sudden dips in energy that signal fatigue. Your body learns to operate on a higher, more efficient plane, reducing that pervasive feeling of being constantly tired, replacing it with a quiet, sustained energy that permeates your day, allowing you to tackle challenges with greater ease. And what about the tireless engine that powers it all? Your magnificent heart. Walking is a cardiovascular champion, yet it achieves its remarkable feats without the excessive strain, often associated with high-intensity workouts. It's a gentle yet profoundly effective conditioner. With every rhythmic step, your heart pumps blood more effectively, strengthening its muscular walls and improving circulation throughout your entire system. From the tips of your toes to the crown of your head, this consistent, Moderate activity is a powerful antidote to high blood pressure, helping to gently yet steadily lower it over time. It also works silently, behind the scenes, to improve your cholesterol balance, diligently increasing the beneficial HDL cholesterol while diligently reducing the harmful LDL. Think of it as a daily, essential tune-up for your most vital organ, keeping it strong, resilient, and ready for whatever demands life throws your way, ensuring a healthier future. Now, let us turn our attention to the intricate framework that holds you upright, your joints, and your posture. Many mistakenly believe walking is hard on joints, but the scientific truth reveals the opposite. Walking is a natural, dynamic lubricant for your joints. The rhythmic compression and decompression of movement, particularly in your knees, hips, and ankles, helps to circulate synovial fluid, the nourishing liquid that keeps your cartilage healthy, supple, and reduces painful friction. It's like oiling a complex, finely tuned machine. Consistent movement prevents stiffness and the rust of inactivity. Furthermore, walking naturally engages your core muscles, strengthening your back and abdomen, which in turn naturally encourages better spinal alignment. Over time, you'll notice a significant reduction in stiffness, a smoother, more confident gait, and a more upright, graceful posture. You're not just moving, you're actively rebuilding, maintaining, and enhancing the very structure that allows you to interact with the world with comfort and ease. Beyond the purely physical, perhaps the most profound transformations occur within the intricate landscape of our minds and emotions. Walking is a potent mood enhancer, a natural antidepressant, and an incredibly effective anxiety reducer. As you walk, particularly outdoors amidst nature, your brain chemistry begins a remarkable shift. Serotonin, the crucial neurotransmitter responsible for feelings of well-being, happiness, and calm, increases its activity. Endorphins, your body's own natural painkillers and powerful mood elevators, flood your system, creating that wonderful, often talked about walker's high. The rhythmic, repetitive motion of walking can be deeply meditative, allowing your mind to quiet the incessant chatter, to process complex thoughts, or simply to be present in the moment, observing the world around you. It's a powerful, accessible tool against the pervasive grip of anxiety and depression, offering a gentle yet profoundly effective pathway back to emotional balance, mental clarity, and inner peace. Imagine a daily prescription for joy, for calm, for perspective, freely available, just outside your door or even through your living room. All these individual benefits, each powerful in its own right, converge into one grand, overarching promise: a longer, healthier, and more vibrant lifespan. Walking isn't just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. By consistently maintaining physical and mental independence, by keeping your body strong, your mind sharp, and your spirit resilient, daily walking empowers you to live fully and vibrantly well into your later years. It's an invaluable investment in your future self, ensuring that you can continue to engage with the world, pursue your passions, enjoy precious moments with loved ones, and maintain your autonomy without the limitations that often accompany a sedentary existence. It's a commitment to an active, engaged, and independent journey through time, allowing you to savor every chapter. But here, my friends, is the most crucial, often overlooked, and perhaps the most powerful secret of all. Consistency. The profound changes we've discussed: the rewiring of your brain, the rebalancing of your hormones, the cellular energy boost, the improved cardiovascular health, the enhanced mood, and the promise of longevity. These are not the result of sporadic bursts of intense, punishing effort. They are the cumulative dividends of daily, consistent movement. Even short durations, a mere 10 or 15 minutes several times a day, particularly after meals, to stabilize blood sugar, yield greater, more sustainable, and truly transformative changes than infrequent, high-intensity workouts that can lead to burnout. It's not about how far or how fast you go on any single day. It's about showing up day after day, week after week, year after year. It's about creating a rhythm, a gentle but unwavering habit that your body and mind come to expect and profoundly thrive upon. Think of it as compounding interest for your health and well-being. Small, regular, persistent deposits yield exponential returns over time, building a robust foundation. The power lies not in the grand, exhausting gesture, but in the unwavering commitment to the small, daily step, repeated with intention. So, I invite you now, with all the wisdom we've uncovered, to deeply reconsider the humble act of walking. It is not a light exercise, it is a foundational movement, a primal act that unlocks the deepest, most inherent wisdom of your own biology. It is a testament to the extraordinary, often forgotten, power that lies within simplicity. You don't need expensive equipment, a fancy gym membership, or a complicated, time-consuming routine. You only need your own feet, a willingness to step outside or even just around your home, and the unwavering commitment to consistency. Embrace the rhythm of your own footsteps. Feel the solid ground beneath you, the refreshing air around you, and the incredible, transformative power awakening within you. Let daily walking be your greatest act of self-love, your most profound investment in your own well-being, your daily ritual of self-care. Start today. Take that first conscious step, and then another and another. For in those consistent, deliberate steps, you are not just moving your body, you are awakening your potential, reclaiming your vitality, and literally walking your way to a life of unparalleled health, boundless joy, and profound independence. The path to a better, more vibrant you is quite literally at your feet. All you have to do is walk it. Walking every day may look ordinary, but its impact on your body is anything but ordinary. When you commit to daily movement, your heart grows stronger, your blood vessels become more flexible, and your circulation improves. Your brain releases mood-boosting chemicals that reduce anxiety and sharpen focus. Your muscles and joints stay active, protecting you from stiffness and loss of mobility as you age. Over time, your metabolism becomes more efficient, helping regulate blood sugar and reduce excess body fat. Most importantly, daily walking builds consistency, and consistency is what transforms health, not intensity. It's not about extreme workouts or complicated routines. It's about showing up for your body, one step at a time. The deeper lesson here is simple, small actions, repeated daily, create powerful long-term change. Health is not built in a single dramatic moment. It's built quietly through habits that seem almost as simple to matter. Starting today, schedule just 20 to 30 minutes for yourself. Walk after dinner, walk in the morning sunlight, or walk while listening to something inspiring. Protect that time like an appointment with your future self. Now I do love to hear from you. How many minutes do you currently walk each day? Please share your answer in the comments so we can learn from each other. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support us and stay motivated for the next powerful health lesson.